Welcome to the Beginner's Trading Guide. Are you interested in the world of trading but don't know where to start? This video will guide you through the basics to get you on your path to trading success. First, understand the different types of markets: stocks, forex, commodities, and more. Each has its own characteristics and risks. Next, educate yourself, read books, follow market news, and consider online courses. Then, choose a reliable broker and practice with a demo account too. Get a feel for the market without risking real money. Remember, start small and learn from each trade. Trading involves risk, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Finally, develop a trading plan and stick to it. Discipline is key. Happy trading, and remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset in the trading world.